Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am here to share a very interesting topic on facts of anatomy and importance of diagrams in anatomy, where I would be revealing some tips to draw easy and quick pictures. So let's get started. Anatomy is a vivid blend of Latin, Greek, and descriptive metaphor, often paintings of body structures and functions. So, to make it easier, let me share some fascinating aspects and examples of anatomical language. Number one is metaphorical and object based terms. For example, acetabulum is derived from a Latin language which means a vinegar cup, and it denotes the cup-shaped acetabular cavity present in the hippo. Another example is the Ziphioid process, which is derived from the Greek language which means sword, and it denotes the Ziphioid process of the sternum. Number two is history and mythological based terms. For example, Achilles tendon, which is one of the strongest tendon of our body, is named after a great Greek hero. Also, the word muscle, which is derived from a Latin word musculus, which means a little mouse. Anatomists think that muscles are like small mouse running beneath the skin. Anatomy is a virtual artistic science, a color-coded discipline where pictures and colors often transforms complex three-dimensional structures into understandable two-dimensional color-coded diagrams. Here we go with the most important part of this video, that is, I would be sharing certain tips for drawing easy eye-catchy diagrams in very little amount of time. So let's begin. Tip number 1. Draw the diagram first. Before starting to write the answer, it is always suggested to draw the diagram first. This actually creates a very good impression on the examiner. And once it is made, it is very easy to reciprocate the same thing into the answer. As we know that relations of the structures in anatomy are very important. So relations becomes a piece of cake once you memorize the diagram. Tip number 2. The outline of the diagram should be clear. This creates a good image and looks great in the paper presentation. So to explain this, let me show you the two figures. So in the first figure, the outline of the diagram is clear, while in the second figure, the outline is not much clear. Technically, the contents in both the figures is correct, but since the outline is more clear, will help you fetch better marks in exams. Tip number 3. Labelings. The most salient point in drawing the diagrams is to label the diagram. This is a kind of must-to-do task. If possible, one should do or write the labels always on the right-hand side of the diagram. Also make sure that the arrows for the labels do not cut through the diagrams. Tip number 4. Orientation. Diagrams are incomplete without orientation. Here we specify the directional and the positional language, where we draw two intersecting lines and denoting certain terms like superior inferior, medial lateral, ventral dorsal, etc. Tip number 5 is using the color code while practicing diagrams. For example, using red color for the arteries, blue color for veins, yellow color for nerves, green color for tendons and fascia, brown color for muscles, black color for bones, and finally purple color for lymph nodes. So friends, now that you know the tips that I have shared with you on how to draw easy eye-catchy diagrams, I hope you would try those. If you have watched this so far, I'm sure you like this channel, so hit that subscribe button. Also, share it with all your friends. Meeting you in the next one. Till then, bye, take care.